In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shopify Buy Now and Add to Cart buttons to Canva websites and social media. We'll connect a button in your Canva design directly to a specific product in your Shopify store, so when someone clicks it, they land on the right product page ready to buy. This is a quick way to turn any Canva design into a simple, shoppable experience. Start by opening your Shopify admin. Head to Online Store, then click the little eye icon to preview your store. Previewing is important because it shows you the live storefront, not the admin view, which ensures you copy a public link that customers can actually use. In the storefront, find and open the product you want to link. You'll be on the product's page with the correct URL in your browser's address bar. Highlight and copy that full product page URL. This is the link we'll attach to the button in Canva. Next, switch over to Canva and open the website or social media design where you want the button to appear. Click Elements, then in the search bar, type Buy Now or Add to Cart. Canva will show a variety of button style graphics. Choose one that matches your brand, add it to your canvas, and position it where it's easy to see. You can resize it and align it with other content for a clean layout. Keep enough contrast so the text stands out and the call to action is obvious. When the button looks good, select it. Click the three dots labeled More and choose Link. A field will appear where you can paste a URL. Paste the Shopify product link you copied earlier, then click Done. That's all it takes to make the graphic clickable. If you're stacking multiple products on one page, repeat the same link process for each button so every product routes to the right place. Now publish or export your design and test the button. For Canva websites, publish and open the live link, then click the button to confirm it goes to your product page. For downloadable formats, use types that preserve hyperlinks, like PDF or interactive web outputs. On social platforms, clickable graphics may only work in certain formats, so testing is especially important. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials.